thermal spa where the water temperature is a blissful 41 degrees centigrade. Everyone wants in, but primates being primates, there are poolside politics. This is an exclusive members-only club. Only the highest-ranking females and infants are allowed in. Everyone obeys this male, who guards the pool and vets the entrance. These youngsters, born of the right bloodline, don't know how privileged they are. Lower-ranking individuals are literally left out in the cold. Japanese macaque society is very divided. There are those that have and those that have not. And that is a harsh division, because the 60 degrees that separate the steaming water from the freezing surroundings can make the difference between life and death.